after the end of the video. If you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you find this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel because we provide quality content. So hello everyone, there is a big update from Capgemini. Capgemini is sending survey link for offer letter and those candidates who submitted their LOI. So for those candidates, Capgemini is sending acceptance mail and also sending survey link to know more details. In this video I show a screenshot of this survey link and acceptance mail, but in this video we will talk about for those candidates also for who are waiting for interview from more than 2 months, and we will discuss some in detail, and we will discuss should you wait or move on because it's more than 2 or 3 months. Capgemini is not sending interview mail. Okay, only few candidates are getting interview mail, but most of the candidates are not getting interview mail. So we will talk about in detail. So let's get started. First, before showing the screenshot, let me tell you about one thing. 2 days ago I did a survey, and in that survey I asked some basic questions like you can see in the screen. Mm, there are 6% candidates who received offer letter, and there are 8% candidates who are waiting for assessment link. Ignore this. Now we will focus on these two. There are 22% candidates who submitted LOI and waiting for offer letter. There are 22% candidates, and there are 44% candidates who are waiting for their interview mail. And let me show you the interview mail on June 6. Capgemini sent selection mail for those candidates who cleared the online assessment, but till now there is no update. It's more than 50 days, but there is no update about interview mail. Only few candidates are getting interview mail, but most of the candidates are not getting interview mail. There are 44% candidates, or you can say approx half number of the candidates are waiting for the interview mail. So if you are waiting for interview mail, then you should wait because there are very large amount of candidates who are waiting for interview mail. So this process will take much time. Okay, but even yesterday also few candidates got interview mail. So this is in phase wise and based on availability of slots, because there are not many there are only few employees who take interview in Capgemini for now, due to lockdown and all. Okay, so this process will take time, and yeah, and if you submitted your LOI and are waiting for offer letter, so there is good news for you. Let me show the another screenshot. This is the screenshot Capgemini is sending. Capgemini is sending, dear candidate, greetings from Capgemini. Hope this mail finds you and loved ones safe in good health. We have received your acceptance of the Capgemini letter of intent. Letter of intent means LOI, and thank you for the same. Okay, this is the acceptance mail, and they are sending survey link to plan a seamless onboarding process for you in the coming months. We would like require some information from you as you mentioned this survey link. Okay, so now they are saying please complete this survey and submit these details by 30 July 30. So today is 28 July. After 2 days this is last date. Okay, on or before 11 p.m 11:30 p.m. So please note that the address detail you fill in this survey should be the location where you are physically present, available for the next 3 months. Okay, because for now this job will be work from home, so that's why they are asking your physical address where you are present. Okay, not your permanent or temporary address. This is the address where you are present for next 3 months, means there from where you can work from for next 3 months. Okay, and they will provide you laptop if you don't have any laptop. Okay, so this is the detailed mail. So conclusion is that if you are waiting for interview mail, this process will take time, but you should have patience. Okay, because if you got a selection mail, then you will definitely get interview mail. Okay, you should wait. Yeah, if you still have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box, or you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in description. You can ask there also your queries. Okay, and yeah, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.